So every on-call engineer knows the 3 a.m. drill. An alert fires and you start pivoting by hand, traces in one tab, logs in another, metrics in a third, the deploy timeline in a fourth. So to solve this problem, I built an agent key and reinvestigation through Signoz, and is itself fully observable in Signoz. Signoz observes the agent that observes Signoz. Let me introduce its architecture to you. The stack is in Python and Fast API and OpenAI compatible LLM. I'm running GPT-5 Mini, a full-service demo shop instrumented with OpenTelemetry and Signoz self-hosted through Foundry and the official Signoz MCP tool which the agent uses. Here's the shop health in Signoz. Checkout, payment, inventory, all nominal. Now let's break it the way real incidents actually happen. A bad deploy. So now I am running a command that will make the deploy bad. I roll out a checkout version 1.4.2. It adds 800 milliseconds of latency and fills a third of orders, and it drops a deploy marker into Signos. Now the alert fires and it wakes up the agent. So the Signos alert rate fires and webhook agent K. It now is investigating on its own over the MCP server. So as you can see on the dashboard, the last 30 minutes errors that are coming and the agent is now investigating onto it. We also get a webhook trigger in Slack where the agent responds with the reply it has found, and we can just approve and execute the remediations, and the agent then follows the actions and goes through it. It also gives us the evidence of what happened and the deploy markers. We also get to see the agent's full traces what it did. A couple of minutes later, it comes back with a full root cause analysis. It correlated traces by service version, found the deploy marker and named it checkout version 1.4.2, the bad deploy. Every claim carries a Signos deep link, and look at this. It quantifies business blast radius, the dollar value of failed orders, and the number of affected users, the top tenants hit. Published anything, a second independent model, groundedness checked the report. That green badge means every number is backed by a real evidence, and every step the agent took is sealed into a hash chain ledger. Verify ledger recomputes the chain and proves it was never tampered with. So as you can see, our ledger has 426 entry and it cannot be tampered. So you get to see what happened. It does not just diagnose, it proposes a guarded rollback behind one click approval link. You approve it, the agent rolls back the deploy, and then it requires the signals to confirm the error rate. The agent remediated the situation and then it followed up which needs a human review after it. So here's the twist. The agent's own runs live in Signos, cost per investigation tokens which MCP tools it called, and a groundedness panel showing how many of its RCA passed the audit. There's even a budget alert where Agent K ends up investigating itself. It's measured not just a DMOT, a score benchmark across 5 fault classes plus a healthy control, 100% detection, localization and classification, 100% groundness and 0 false alarms. What I learned building this, constraining an agent, one tool surface, a cust project, and independent auditor is exactly what makes it safe to trust. That's Agent Key.